Hi, my name is Mandeep Khroud. I head up the immigration department here at Irwin Mitchell Solicitors. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of employing a foreign national, which includes European nationals. The first step is that the organisation needs to complete an online application form, which if you have all the information together should only take you about half an hour to complete. Once that has been submitted, you then have to send your documents by email to the Home Office. What we have found as an organisation is that companies, when their applications have been refused for a sponsor licence, it's not because they don't meet the requirements, it's just that the documentation that they have provided don't meet the relevant standards. And so it's important that legal advice is taken at this stage to ensure that there isn't any unnecessary refusals. Unnecessary refusals can cause an issue because in some instances the company won't be able to apply for a sponsorship licence for a period of 6 months, which can cause on a knock-on effect for the business. So the second step is to apply for the skilled worker visa, and with that you need to show that you are at the relevant skill and pay level, you meet the English language requirement, and you can show that you can maintain and accommodate yourself without recourse to public funds. Once that requirement has been met, then the application is submitted online and you should receive a decision within about 3 weeks. It can take longer, but on average it is 3 weeks. Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me, Mandeep Khroud, at Irwin Mitchell Solicitors. Thanks.